Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have one very interesting question from functional equations. Our equation is f of x plus f of 1 over 1 minus x equal to 48x. And we are going to calculate f of 4. So let's get started by writing denominator cannot be equal to 0. So x can't be 1. I will begin with considering this equation as equation 1. Now we have to target f of 4. So I will plug into our equation x equal to 4. So we will get f of 4 plus f of 1 over 1 minus 4 equal to 48 times 4, which will be equal to 192. So we will get our second equation f of 4 plus f of 1 over minus 3, or we can write minus 1 over 3. Right hand side is 192. This equation we will call equation 2. Now here we have f of minus 1 over 3. So let's plug in x equal to negative 1 over 3 to equation number 1 here. So we will get f of minus 1 over 3 plus f of 1 over 1 minus 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 with plus sign equal to 48 times minus 1 over 3. So this 3 and 48 will be over. We will write 16 here. So our final equation will be f of minus 1 over 3 plus f of 3 over 3 plus 1. So 3 over 4. And RHS will be negative 16. I will consider this is our equation number 3. Let me write both our equations here. Now we will plug in x equal to 3 over 4 as we have got f of 3 over 4. So x equal to 3 over 4. Our equation 1 was f of x plus f of 1 over 1 minus x equal to 48x. So x equal to 3 over 4. F of 3 over 4 plus f of 1 over 1 minus 3 over 4. This will be equal to 48 times 3 over 4. So here we will get 48 over 4, 12. So 12 times 3, 36. RHS will be 36. And LHS we will get f of 3 over 4 plus f of 4 over 4 minus 3. So f of 4. And this equation we will call equation number 4. Now you can see if we will multiply equation 3 with negative 1. So let us write here, multiply this equation with negative 1. So we will get minus of f of minus 1 over 3 minus of f of 3 over 4 and minus of minus 16. So plus 16. And let us consider this is equation 5. Now I will add all the three equations. Equation 2, this equation 5 and equation 4. So f of minus 1 over 3, this will be cancelled out with minus of f of minus 1 over 3. F of 3 over 4, this will be cancelled out, minus of f of 3 over 4. So only f of 4 will be left over there. So we will write here 2 plus 4 plus 5. Equation 2, equation 4 plus equation 5. We will get 2 of f of 4 as our LHS. Now RHS will become 192 from equation 2, then plus 16 equation 4 and equation 5 will give us plus 36. So we will get twice of f of 4. This addition will come out 244. Now we will divide both sides by 2 to get the value of f of 4. These two 2's will be over. We will get f of 4 equal to 244 over 2. So 122 will be our final answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.